Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Hope everything's going your way today. Today, I'm coming to you with a Boxycharm video, yes. Today, I'm going to be trying for you all the items that I got in my April Boxycharm subscription box. Yes, this is going to be a Boxycharm try-on. So, if you want to just hang out with me, and hear my thoughts on the things I got in my Boxycharm subscription box, then just keep on watching. See ya! Okay, everybody, let's get started with this look. As you can tell by the intro in the video, I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm try-on. And I really did want to do a traditional unboxing for you guys, but by the time I got my box, these items were all new. So let's just get right on into it. I actually got a total of 5 items. I got the Zoeva Matte Eyeshadow Palette, the Professional Hydrate Primer, the iconic London Illuminator Drops in the shade Shine, a set of Baddington Lashes, and the iconic London Lip Gloss in the shade Peekaboo. But about this palette though. When you open up the Zoeva Matte Palette, it has a sleeve that looks identical to the palette. It has a piece of cellophane, which I don't know what it's really protecting because there is no mirror. You gotta do better than that, Zoeva. You gotta do better. The palette has 10 shades, which appear to be quite neutral, guys. And the color story is quite wearable. I can see this being a nice, everyday palette. And also quite user-friendly because no matter what shades you choose, you can't mess it up. Now, I don't really know what look I'm going for today, but one thing's for sure and 2 things for certain. It's gonna be basic and neutral. So first things first, guys, I'm going in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in room number 3. And while I would love to read to you guys my peeps the claims of all these hair products, I actually misplaced the description card, and it's not enough time in my life to find it. But nonetheless, you'll know by the end of this video what I feel about the products. What to do, what to do, what to do. First, I'm going in with this shade called Chat Late at Night, and I'm going to work that in my crease. And guys, this shade actually applied more vividly than it appears in the pan. And not to mention, guys, this shade built up rather nicely. And let me just get this out the way now. I love this palette, guys. I didn't experience patchiness with any of the shades I use. They all blend seamlessly together. They almost blend themselves, guys. And while some of the shades do have a little bit of kick up in the pan, I had almost no fallout from any of these shades. Yes, guys, yes. If this palette had a mirror, it would be almost close to perfect. And I'm actually taking this shade pretty high, guys, because I'm going to use another shade to blend it out from there. And now going in with this shade Through the Window, I'm going to use that to blend out Chat Late at Night. And this shade is actually a nice warm tone peach. And it actually complements Chat Late at Night quite well. And it creates a nice gradient between the 2 shades. Yeah, I like this shade. I like it a lot. And I truly can't believe the color payoff upon application compared to how these shadows look inside the pan. And now it's time to get my blend on.
Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see.
And now going in with this shade Lonely City, I'm going to apply that to my outer V. I just wanted to add a little more dimension to the look, and for this to be a plum purple tone type shadow. This shade performed rather well, and it also blended out rather nicely. And this shade most definitely added the depth that I was looking for. And now I'm just blending Lonely City into Chat Late at Night. And while sometimes it can be difficult to blend these type of shades on top of another, I didn't experience that at all with this shade. And I can honestly say that this palette made me a believer. And now I'm just doing a half cut crease because I really want a clean canvas before I lay down my next shadow. Gotta blend out that harsh line. And now going in with this shade Across the Street, which is like an eggshell with a taupe undertone. I'm going to put that on the first third of my lid. And to be so light in tone, guys, this is quite a pigmented shade. This shade would be perfect for a soft glam eye look. So now in the blank space that I left, I'm going to go in with the other shades that I've previously used. First, I blended Chat Late at Night into Lonely City. And then I blended Through the Window into Chat Late at Night. And then I blended Across the Street into Through the Window. And I really love the gradient that it created. Oh yeah, that's cool. That is cool. So I guess I'm going to do the other side right quick. Guys, I really love the way this eye look turned out so far. Well, about these lashes though. I'm going in with the Baddington lashes. And guys, I really love the packaging. The packaging is so stinking cool. And guys, these lashes are really pretty. I mean, they a little bit modest for my taste, but yeah. This is what we're doing today. This is what we're doing today. So I'm about to go ahead and pop on my lashes and we'll be back to finish up this try on. Okay, everybody, I went on ahead, popped on my lashes. These lashes are nice and dainty. I'd use these more for no makeup day, but yeah. Let's finish up this face though. I'm going in with the Professional Hydrate Primer. And any of you guys, my peeps who watch my channel for any period of time already knows, I'm not really a fan of the Professional Pores No More primer, so yeah. So hopefully this primer is better than the original. But we'll see, guys. We will see. And I already don't know how to feel about the primer because the consistency still reminds me a lot of the Pores No More primer, with the exception that it's slightly creamier. And upon applying it to my face, I can already tell that the consistency of this primer is much better than the Pores No More primer. It feels a little bit more like a moisturizer than it does a primer. And always remember to get the net. And this primer most definitely adds more moisturization than the original. Okay, professional. And now I'll be going in with the iconic London Illuminator. This is actually in the shade Shine. And it's more of like a rose gold shade. And while you can definitely use this as a highlight, I like using illuminators under my foundation to give me that glow from within look. It actually comes with a dropper. And this is most definitely a rose gold type illuminator. So I'm actually going to go ahead and apply this quite sparingly to my face. But you can totally just use it on the places that you want the light to hit. And I can truly say that a little goes a long way. Because it was at this point that your girl Lily here realized that she used too much. But oh well, guys. This is what we're doing today. This is what we're doing today. And now going in with a foundation I trust, my NARS Radiant Foundation in Syracuse. I'm just going to work that right on top of the illuminator. And so far, guys, I love the way the foundation is sitting on top of the other products that I've used. Okay, guys. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, yeah. I'm looking luminous as all get out. So I'm about to go ahead and do the rest of my complexion. And yeah, we'll be back to do these lips, though. Hi, guys. As I sit here in my comfy bed while on lockdown and staying at home and obeying all the rules, first I'd like to take the time to say that I pray you, your family, and friends are staying safe during this time, and to let you guys know I pray for you each and every day. And stay encouraged, guys, because we are yet one day closer to the end of this thing. But I also want to let you know I had an issue with that Professional Hydrating Primer. When I cut off the camera to finish my makeup, I noticed my foundation was peeling. So first I thought maybe my skin was too dry and I didn't moisturize enough and maybe I was shedding like a snake. But no, I'm sure it was the primer. Because when I took off all my makeup and put on my Milk Hydro Grip primer, then put my iconic London Illuminator on top of that, and then put my foundation on top of that, my makeup came out perfect. Perfect. So, in short, guys, what I'm really trying to say is under no circumstances will I ever recommend the Professional Hydrating Primer. Matter of fact, guys, that primer's going in my declutter box with all the rest of Professional Pores No More samples that I get from Ulta. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, everybody, I went ahead, popped on my complexion, yeah. Let's finish up these eyes, though. And while I don't anticipate much fallout, your girl Lily here has trust issues, so yeah. I put powder under my eye to catch the fallout. And I'm basically just making the bottom match the top. First going in with that shade Chat Late at Night. I'm smoking that underneath my lower lash line. And the fact that this shade shows up this vibrant underneath my lower lash line without using a primer speaks volumes of this shadow. And now going in with Lonely City, I'm going to focus that directly on the outside of my lower lash line. And that really creates unity between the lower lash line and the lid. And lastly, guys, going in with Through the Window, I'm going to use that to blend out Chat Late at Night. So it's official, guys. I'm really happy with the performance of this palette, and I'm glad that they added this in my subscription box. Finally, guys, we are on to lips. I'm going in with the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Peekaboo. And it does have a nice doe foot applicator, the kind that makes it nice to apply lip gloss because it hugs the lips. Now, one thing I will tell you is while I do love the formula, and I do love the appearance, and I absolutely love the shine that this lip gloss gives, I had to keep dipping the applicator into the tube. I had to dip the applicator to the tube about 6 or 7 times because the applicator doesn't hold that much product, but I was still able to achieve the desired look, so yeah, it's alright, it's cool. And now I'm just letting the sand spray blast my makeup, and yeah, this renovation is over. Okay, everybody, here's the finished look. Guys, I really love how my look turned out today. And overall, I'm happy with the products I received in my Boxycharm box this month. Overall, if there were one product that they could have totally skipped out on adding to my box, it will most definitely be that Professional Hydrate Primer. For some reason, it made my foundation peel off my face, so yeah. I'm sure it may work out for somebody, but it just didn't work out for me. But about that palette, though. The Zoeva Matte Eyeshadow Palette was most definitely the superstar of my box, and I will most definitely be using that palette again. But other than a Professional Primer, there were clearly no losers today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It only gets greater later, guys. It only gets greater later. So until next time, guys. Stay real, stay positive, stay up, and damn it, you better watch, fight, and pray. Slow-mos, please. Holla!